Hello everyone. I thought I'd demonstrate the fire roll or the Rudigar roll using cotton balls and any type of ash. It's also an answer to a challenge a friend and mentor put up the other day. I'm not gonna come close to his record. I believe it's around a couple of minutes. I'm gonna guess it's gonna take me about 5 minutes if I'm able to get the fire roll to ignite. So anyway, the time begins when you open the bag. Now David, he has a great way of opening these little cotton balls up. I've never been able to do it. I've tried. I've got to manually find the end and unroll it. I didn't know for a long time that they were rolls of cotton balls. Anyway, I'm gonna spread it out like that. Put about a half teaspoon of wood ashes. Roll it by hand, as tight as you can get it. Need a little wood ashes on the board, not many. That's for friction, so it won't be so hard to roll. All right, let me see if I can get this thing ignited on the first try. It's always difficult for me. I don't see smoke. I see smoke. All right, the materials were not to be processed, so here we have a bundle of unprocessed pine straw, which I will begin to process. Into a tender bundle. Or bird's nest as it's called. And it went out. I don't know if I can get it to ignite again after that. Let's see. I got it again. Mine have a tendency to go out like that. All right, we're gonna try it again. So I've lost the challenge. Second attempt at a fire roll. Mine go out like that, huh? I wish I knew why. Maybe y'all can give me some ideas on that. Some hints, helpful hints. No smoke. Got some smoke. Went out again. Maybe I got it this time. Whew. Well, have to be honest about it. I could have started my video again. Oh, I do have some punkwood fines in the bottom of this bowl. I do like to have a little punkwood in my tender bundles. So as I said, I didn't meet the challenge. But I think you can see the demonstration is going to work. You could either blow into a tender bundle or wave it like this. Waving it like this introduces a continuous flow of air, where when you breathe into one, it's interrupted by you taking a breath. And another thing, your breath is moist. So I many times use this method. And there you go. David, your record stands. I'm never gonna be the master you are. I do thank you for everything I've learned from you. And anyway, I hope this has been a fair demonstration for y'all who are interested in the fire roll or the Rudigar roll. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll talk to y'all later.